A 3-year-old Hyderabad boy, AYANSH Gupta, was suffering from a rare genetic disorder that affects 1 in every 8,000 children. And AYANSH Gupta took a shot of US manufacturing drugs worth rupees of 16 crores that is said to be the world's most expensive drugs injections. And doctors attempted to cure his spinal muscular therapy. And we have to say thanks to the number of donors they came together to support AYANSH Gupta's family in the journey of saving their child. And we also say thanks to the 64,504 peoples. They contributed 14.84 crores through the side of crowdfunding. And my dear friends, the remaining 1.2 crores was contributed the crowdfunding initiatives and his family. And we also say thanks to the centers. They waived 6 crores of important duties, because without which the medicine would have cost 22 crores. So it shows that humanity is still alive, and try to spread love and try to help them and try to help people as much as possible. And my dear friends, it's my request to all of you that give so much so that other peoples are compelled to give you back. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.